This 2024 Grand Design Solitude 376 Road is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 43 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep's 6 LP detector, oven, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, water heater, external shower, microwave, stove-top burner, skylight, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Solitude 376 Road is 15,180 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.